Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Despite what's going on right now with the market hitting clear resistance right at that 400 level and still getting rejected from this clear downward sloping trend line, we still are seeing gold shine in this environment. As you can see, it's in a nice uptrend and above all the major moving averages. You know, it had a lower open today, opening just under that 8-day exponential period moving average, but it was able to push through, close near the top of the range, and do it on higher than average volume. And so I definitely think gold is something you should still be watching here in this market. Now, maybe you're not buying today, but maybe you're just keeping an eye on it as it's in consolidation. I mean, it's really just kind of gone sideways here for about 10 days or so, and that's healthy consolidation within an uptrend. Also, want to point out the volume profile, the fact that it pulled back yesterday, closed near the lows, but look at this volume compared to today. So I really like the fact that the buyers came in to support GDX right around that 8-day exponential period moving average. Watch for a breakout. I think you want to set an alert on GDX, maybe around that 32, 35 level. That would take you right above this line, and you'd want to see volume push through. If I look at GLD, strong in an uptrend and just rolling right now. So definitely keep gold on a screen near you, and especially these miners, GDX and GDXJ. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.